Curtis is off, so we have Jeff Hoover, our producer's filling in doing trending news.
C-Team represents. I got the email on Monday. Hey, would you like to fill in for trending? No Marcus, no Pat, no Larry. And Jericho, our custodian, couldn't make it today. So here I am, baby.
Come on,
Look at the pants.
Oh, yeah, nice.
All right. My wife dresses me. If I could only get her to undress me. Here we go. Snoop Dogg is answering the call of duty. Or should that be the call of doggy? He will be a playable character in the popular Call of Duty video game franchise. Starting next month, gamers can pick up the Snoop Dogg Operator Bundle. It lets you create your own one-man task force with Snoop on the front lines. That's just what you want, don't you?
Yeah, oh yeah, that is.
Remember he was late to his interview here, and he said he had a late wake and bake session.
Right.
It went a little longer. Anyway, the Snoop character will be in Call of Duty, Vanguard, and Warzone.
Huh.
Here we go.
All right.
St. Peter's University has become the Cinderella team of this year's March Madness. The 15 seed knocked off number 2 Kentucky in the first round and then beat Murray State to advance to the Sweet 16. Now, St. Peter's star guard Doug Edert and his mustache are getting famous. He announced on Instagram, look at that, that he's signed a deal with Buffalo Wild Wings. Yep, Edert is promoting a campaign, listen up, Sarah, where fans can get 6 free boneless wings if one of the remaining tournament games goes to overtime.
Wow.
And if that's not enough, he's also launched Dougie Buckets apparel collection with Barstool Sports.
You gotta
I think
ride
Larry
it
would hate that story, doesn't he?
Yeah, he doesn't like when
Larry,
you
sorry if you're watching from home. They made me read it.
Yeah.
I swear, I am still your son. Earlier this week in our 8 o'clock hour courtesy desk, Paul, you took our New Year's dance to a new level.
Right.
With guest choreographer Gabriel. Take a look.
5, 6, 7, 8. He was good. Oh, yeah. This is his contribution to this. It's called the grocery cart.
All right.
Although I've never seen anybody do shopping like that before.
No.
but-
It's all right.
Yeah, it's he wasn't getting anything off the shelves or anything.
No,
Yeah.
but he's a sweet kid.
Oh, wonderful kid.
He's like a star dancer. The family, lovely family was here,
Yeah.
mom and dad. I received a nice note from Gabriel's mom.
All right.
And it said, thank you for inviting Gabriel to be on the show. It was such a thrill for him. Gabriel already has the photo of the whole dance team hanging on his bedroom wall.
All right.
Check this picture out. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Pat's like doing that Lion King thing. She goes on to say, thank you for making a little boy's dream come true and giving him a story I'm sure he'll tell over and over again.
He was outstanding.
Now to get this, everyone was just as nice, if not nicer, than they appear on television.
Wow. That was great.
Hey, we're delightful, in case you didn't know.
Oh yeah. Oh, very nice. Thank you guys.
Nice of him.
I'll be back with more breaking trending news in the 7 o'clock hour.
All right.
Yeah, that's boy.
All right.
Thanks, Hoover.
Thanks, Hoover.
Do I leave now?
Yeah, you do.
You can.